Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing PAL Stick. So this is a multi-unit charging station. As you can see, it comes with its own little bays, which I like that they're already on here. And as you can see, you got a Type-C charging. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB ports. On-off button right here. They provide you with a manual, and in here should be the power cable. Oh, and look at that. They provide you with multiple different charging cables. Wow. So let's see, you got a Type-C. So Type-C to Type-C. You have micro. You have another micro. And you have two, which I believe these are for Apple devices. Very cool. Actually, no, you got three of those. Three for Apple devices. Let's go ahead and power this on. So once you plug it in, you just press the power button. Let's see, make sure we have it the whole way in here. Okay, so we see that the power button lights up green once pressed, so that lets you know that you're getting power. Let's go ahead and plug in our cell phone. We're going to use the Type-C to Type-C. All right, and it's charging. And the nice thing about this is you have slots that you can put stuff in. So our cell phone with a case fits great in each slot. The two slots at the end are much wider for a bigger device. Let's see. Let's say we want to charge our power bank. So let's see. It looks like the very big one, it fits. And we just stick this right in our USB port. There we go. Now it's charging. So now we're charging that. Overall, this is really nice. I like this. Nice setup. And it looks a whole lot better than just having stuff lay around everywhere. Overall, very nice.